Ever found yourself wondering if that special someone likes you back? It's a universal experience we've all had. A secret crush tucked away deep in our hearts, leaving us questioning if the feelings are mutual or if our minds are just playing tricks on us. Today, we're diving into the subtle, yet powerful, signs that reveal a girl's hidden affection. These are the telltale hints that can turn uncertainty into clarity, and potentially, a romance. So, sit tight and get ready, because I'm about to unveil the 5 unmistakable signs that she's into you. Number 1. Lip bite. Pay close attention. The first sign is the lip bite. Activating desire and openness towards you is a strong attraction trigger. When someone is feeling desire for you, that person tends to, without realizing it, give a small bite to the lip or even touch their mouth. You have to observe how that person reacts when they are near you, when you talk together, or when they stare at you. This usually clarifies a desire. You should only take this signal seriously if you are together and alone. Otherwise, you won't know if that desire corresponds to you. Number 2. Smiling with a neck tilt. The second sign that reveals someone desires you is when they smile and tilt their neck. When the person eventually smiles and tilts their neck to one side, it's a strong signal of desire and indicates great intimacy with you. Remember, these are subconscious signals. The person doesn't even realize they are sending them. It's a sign of complete submission to the other person and indicates they are totally attracted to you, even though they don't realize it. This is very positive for you because you can gradually ignite those paths of attraction that the person feels for you. Number 3. Slow blinking. The third sign that conveys desire and openness is gazing into the eyes and blinking slowly. Eyes are capable of conveying a lot of desire. You can even make the pupil dilate much more when you're with the person you like. When she looks into your eyes and maintains that eye contact for a longer time and blinks slowly, it's a clear sign of desire. Blinking slowly is a signal for the person to appreciate that moment. It means she is enjoying your presence so much that she blinks less intensely to better preserve that moment in a more emotional and profound way. Number 4. Touches and closeness. This signal is one of the most common, yet few realize it. Someone who wants to be close to you and even occasionally touches you. You can observe that the person seeks to narrow the zones of proximity between you. They enjoy being near you through compliments and body inclination. She clearly reveals that she is attracted to you. This is a very clear sign that the person is interested and desires more openness and intimacy with you. So never forget this. Number 5. Face and neck touching. The fifth sign is that the person touches their face and neck a lot and even caresses that area. This generally happens when we feel desire, as blood concentration tends to go to the face and mouth. This also causes the face to heat up, generating a desire to touch and stroke. This demonstrates a very strong attraction and desire towards you, and therefore tends to be a major indicator of interest that you can take into account. You should know that generally, people who secretly fall in love with someone suppress their emotions and feelings a lot. You can further ignite it by trying to build intimacy between you and spending more time alone, doing a recreational activity or something different that both of you enjoy. That's when you can start building a great relationship, which you decide the path it will take. If you're interested in knowing how to make a woman obsess over you and start chasing you, click on the video that's appearing on the screen and discover valuable information. Click before this video ends and we'll see you inside. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.